Generations Luyanda addresses those catfight rumors. Generations. The legacy actress Luyanda Mzazi may be the baby of the soapie, but that hasn't stopped fans from making up some crazy stories about her. From chancers claiming they're dating her to rumors of her beating up Skeem Saam's pretty in a catfight, she's heard it all. Luyanda has become a firm fan favorite for her role as Luyanda on the popular soapie, and told she's a live that fame brought its fair share of wild stories about her. Just days after a fake story surfaced online of her apparently beating up actress Luyanda Mzazi in a fight over Dlathu, who plays Lesedi in Skeem Saam, she said she discovered another hoax video of her dancing provocatively online. However, Luyanda has labeled the catfight story as rubbish and has revealed that she actually has dolilo dancing skills. "I don't listen or pay attention to what is said about me online. My friends show me all the stories. I have never fought anyone and I can't dance to save my life. Someone posted a picture of me supposedly dancing seductively, but I can't even bustle. If I do one, I can't even get up." The video emerged after Luyanda left fans drooling with pictures of herself in a cozy, while on vacay.